Guys, what if I told you that you can start an online business today without buying stock, without renting a shop, and without investing thousands of dollars? What if you could realistically make $500 to $3,000 per month just by using your laptop and internet? Sounds fake? It's not. This is called dropshipping. And in this video, I will explain step by step what is dropshipping, where to start, which products to sell, where to sell, how to receive payments, and how beginners are actually making money in 2026. So watch this video till the end. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell a product online, but you don't keep the product in stock. When someone orders from your store, you receive the money. You buy the product from a supplier. The supplier ships directly to your customer. You keep the profit difference. Example, you sell a product for $40. Supplier price equals $15. Ads cost equals $10. Your profit equals $15 per sale. No warehouse. No packing. No inventory risk. That's why beginners love this model. Where to start? Dropship. There are 3 main platforms. 1. Shopify. Create your own online store. Professional. Best for scaling to $1,000 plus per month. 2. TikTok Shop. Very powerful in 2026. Organic traffic possible. Good for viral products. 3. Facebook Marketplace. Beginner friendly. Low cost start. Good for testing if you're serious and want long-term income. Start with and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Where to find products? Best platforms to find products: AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, ZineDrop, AutoD's. What type of products should you sell? Not random items. Sell problem-solving products, trendy viral items, home gadgets, beauty tools, fitness, accessories avoid, clothes, size issues, electronics returns, problem, fake branded items, golden rule. If the product solves a problem or looks cool in video, it sells. How to sell the product? There are 2 main ways. 1. Paid ads. Facebook ads, TikTok ads, fast results, but needs small budget, $5, $20 day testing. 2. Organic method. TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. No money required, but needs consistency. Best strategy in 2026. Mix organic plus small ads testing. How to receive payments. If you're in Pakistan, you can use Payoneerwise, Stripe Atlas, third party, Shopify payment gateways, or sell to cash on delivery countries like UAE. Many Pakistani sellers are already making money like this, so don't think location is a problem. Real truth about dropshipping. Let me be honest, dropshipping is not magic. You will fail products, lose some money in testing, face ad bans, get refunds, but if you treat it like a real business and stay consistent for 3 to 6 months, you can build serious income. So now, tell me, would you rather work 9 to 5 forever or build your own online income stream? If you want more finance and online earning videos, subscribe now. Next video, I will show you step by step how to build your first Shopify store. Let's build wealth.